This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a Google Doc. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Here is a letter that I wrote last year, and I just want to make a copy of this. Maybe I'm sending a similar letter this year, and I just want to keep all this information about the address and the salutation and whatnot. Very easy. Go to File, Make a Copy. You'll be prompted to copy the document using a new title. They give you a default one, but what I always do is I just change the title. So this is going to be called 2022 Ford Indies Award Cover Letter. So then click Make a Copy. Notice that you also have options to share it with the same people, so you can check off those checkboxes if you need. So this is the new copy of it, and then I can go about and start to change the information there. So I'm going to change the date, etc., and then I have a new copy of it. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive and Docs, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and we also have some cheat sheets. Go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz to learn more about this particular product. This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Thank you so much for watching.